Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name's Cassie. I post a lot of outdoor and hiking related videos. I'm also going to be posting more gear reviews as well for your outdoor and camping, hiking, backpacking, kayaking related gear. For today's video, I am going to be reviewing two items that I ordered off of Amazon for Cyber Monday, of course, and it's going to be the portable shower bag and the pop-up tent for a portable shower system. So this setup is good for car camping. This is not something I'd recommend for backpacking. It's not lightweight at all. It's a little bulky. And also, I just want to make mention that this isn't one of the higher end portable showers that heat the water. Those usually run about $200 to $300. Those are good for camping in the cooler months, but typically I camp in the late spring and the summer, throughout the summer, and part of the early fall as well. So I just don't really need that whole setup. So me personally, that's for me. But if you are looking at getting a pop-up tent for changing around camp or for showering, and as well as the bag, go ahead and stay tuned. I'm going to be going over that today. Okay, so for the first item, this is the portable shower bag from Dr. Prepare. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the links to these as well down below, so if you want to order them off Amazon. I paid about $34 or $35 for this, and I want to say it's about the same in price right now, if not exactly what I paid for. It's about 16% off. So I'm just going to open it up. Okay, there you go. This is the bag that it came in. There's some drain holes on the bottom is what it looks like. This is the zipper compartment that it came in. All right, and then for here, you just pull this up. So you're just gonna pull that up. I needed two hands for it. Okay, so for the next step, it tells you to open the compartment on the top part of the foot pump and make sure the back part is closed. I needed two hands to do that, so I've already done that for us. And then for step 3, you're gonna open up this lid here on the top of the shower bag and fill it up with water about 50 to 75% of the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then close the lid. Okay, so I went ahead and filled the bag with water. They said the instructions say 50 to 75% of the way. So, yep, that looks about right. And I closed the top. I want to say that these valve covers are pretty difficult to close, for me anyway. But it's on there pretty good, so that's good. And then now the next step, it says to use the foot pump and just inflate the rest of the bag. You're going to hear a gurgling sound. Okay, so I have fully inflated the bag, and now all you have to do is pump the water out of the hose. And the instructions say if the pressure drops, just go ahead and use the foot pump again to inflate the bag, and you will see that the pressure did start to go down a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so for the second product, this is going to be our pop-up tent here. This was on the front of the bag, so that's what it looks like. I ordered a color, I ordered a pink color actually, and if you see here, we have some straps. It looks like you can put them over your shoulders like a backpack. I probably won't be doing that because this is just going to be for car camping, but we're going to go ahead and just open up the zipper. Here. So in the bag we had some spikes and and some rope to tie it down. I'm not going to be doing that because I'm inside, and for the sake of the review, I just wanted to open it up and check it out. I'm not worried about tying it down right now. So here are some like shelves basically for putting your toiletries, shoes, things like that in. Okay, so just to give you a little bit of comparison, I'm 5'5". I do have to duck a little bit. You see? Just a little bit, okay? So I thought about putting a rubber band around the hose of the portable shower. That way there's this constant flow of water running, but that would waste quite a bit of water as well, potentially. So what I'm going to do is put the shower bag on the floor here, and then, you know, just hang the hose somewhere. There's plenty of places in here I could kind of just hang the hose on, and then just, you know, squeeze it and turn it on as needed to rinse off. But other than that, I think there's plenty of room in here, and with the hose, you know, you kind of have some room as to where the water is going to be shooting. So let me just kind of show you all the compartments in here. It is pretty wrinkled, that's fine. So we do have the floor here on the bottom, and it is in place because it looked almost like the floor was separate when I looked at the pictures, but you can see there's actually a mesh lining here. If you can kind of see that around the perimeter of the actual black floor here. There are some pop-up tents that you can buy that do not have a floor on the bottom, so it's just your preference. I really wanted to just get one with a floor, and most likely I'll probably just be wearing flip-flops in here if I need to. You know, if there's more than one person showering, I just would rather just have the flip-flops on here. But yeah, okay, so now there's two compartments down here in the bottom that you could probably put, you know, your flip-flops or your shoes in. So we have one here, and it looks like it's divided in the middle. Yep, so there's the smaller side here and a little bit wider one over there. And then same thing over here. One side is a little bit bigger than the other. Okay, then if you come over here, you have this lining here to put like a towel or to hang clothes, and you also have it on the other side. And then here, another pocket. Okay, and then of course this is the pocket that I showed you earlier, and I didn't even tie it in all the way, but you can see there's a hook here that would go right there, and then two more hooks on the bottom. So this will actually just be on the side and away from, you know, the middle of the tent. And then over here we have that zippered compartment, which I went ahead and opened. I'll show you the other side. Okay, so this window here that opens would be a good spot to run a hose for a shower, especially if you have one of the larger ones, like I had mentioned earlier, that, you know, heats the water, holds a larger amount of water. Then I also just wanted to point out there's also these inserts that you can run your paracord or your string here, just to kind of secure it to the ground, and each of the sides have this. Right, so this pretty much concludes today's video. Just a little recap. The shower bag holds 4 gallons of water, and that was priced at $34 or $35, I think is what I paid for it. And then the pop-up tent, I believe I paid $35, but right now I think it's $40 or $49. So this pretty much wraps up today's video. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I will be posting videos every Wednesday. I have some more products I need to review and post out there for you all. And I do have some fun hiking content coming your way as well. So make sure to subscribe. All right, see you all soon.